Today is the unboxing review of Lupinranger versus Patoranger DX Siren Striker. The sword that actually that gave Lupin X his super mode. So in the front of the box is the Siren Striker with Lupin X super mode and the Siren Kaiser, and the left side of the box we see the left side. Then on the back we see the first panel is where Lupin X using the versus changer to transform into his super mode. Then the second panel is combine the good striker with the magic dial fire and the trigger machine slash into the Siren Kaiser. It also on the top here, and the other top, the right side, and the bottom. And now it's time to unbox it, so here we go. And there it is, the Siren Striker. This is actually the Zord for both Lupinranger and Patoranger, which the design is actually a armored tank with a dark blue, red, and gold paint design. And there is the number 7 right here. And when you pull the trigger, it actually summons the cannons, also the cannon right here, and it actually forms the Megazord head part, which is right here. And now let's go ahead and combine it, use it on the versus changer where Lupin X actually got his super mode. So here we go. And here we go. We'll insert it in like so. Let's go ahead and it says case that should change and press the trigger. And that is the theme for Lupin X getting his super mode and for the summoning. And there you have it. Now let's go ahead and combine it with the good striker, trigger machine slash, and magic dial fighter into the Siren Lupin Kaiser. Here we go. And here we go. Trigger machine splash, right arm, magic dial fire, left arm, and the Siren Striker. Pull these apart. Goes here, and here is the head. And there we go. The Siren Lupin Kaiser. Now, this is a Megazord piloted by the Lupinrangers in its first debut. Now, you actually wonder why can the Patorangers actually use the Victory Striker? Well, they actually did. They actually did when they combined it with the Trigger Machine Crane and Trigger Machine Biker, and that's when they actually use it. And that is it. And there you have it. I actually love how there are actually two strikers debut on its first episode, the Victory Striker and the Siren Striker, which we actually see right now. And I absolutely love how they use Siren Striker for Lupin X Super Mode. So yeah, I actually love that and his Super Mode. So anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment on what you think about the unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and like my Facebook page. Until then, this is Amy guys right here. Sign out. Laters.